Hey guys, JD here, and today we are testing out another great product by KSpeed. So we've got our stage 1 kit installed, and of course I couldn't stop there. So after talking with Marty, they recommended this cold air intake panel. Now what this panel does, it fits on the ski right there where that plastic cover is that you can see right there. And it actually doubles the amount of available air inside the hull. I also figure that it provides some cross ventilation, allows the ski to breathe a little better when it's stored. So this is a waterproof, cleanable element. It's got a molded rubber body. You can see it's got some tabs there to hold it in place. So we're going to go ahead and get the ski apart a bit to get this installed, and I'll show you what it looks like as we go. So I'll start by saying KSpeed's already got a great video on doing this. It's a bit of a pain. You got to unassemble this whole top assembly here, and you got to lift it up. But I'll show you step by step how to do it as well. But again, KSpeed's got a great video on this. So the first step is you got to remove the door on the waterproof case here. You do that just by pulling those tabs out. Once you remove that cover, you got to remove the foam insert. It should just pop out. All right, so now what we got to do is there's two 10mm nuts there, and then the rest of these 10mm bolts, they all have to be loosened. There's one here, and then there's two down in the steering wheel there. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen all those. Once you've loosened all those 10mm nuts and bolts, you're then going to need a tool to pop out each of these rivets like this. There's 4. You just want to make sure that you pop them all out with you. The next step is this panel here. You kind of want to pull it down a little bit and off. You can see those tabs there kind of are angled upwards, so you want to pull that kind of down and out after you pull out those clips. And now there's 2 more 10mm bolts right there. All right, so we've got all of these 10mm nuts and bolts removed. The rubber here for the gull wing doors needs to be removed to the sides. The plastic in the middle here we removed. So now you can lift up this whole assembly like this. And you can see that there's a couple 10mm acorn nuts down in there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to loosen both of those. There's also one more here in the left side compartment. Also, you're going to use your rivet tool here to pop out the rivet, one on either side here. And now that's going to allow us to go ahead and lift this assembly up and get the filter in place. So you see that panel comes right out. I'm just going to leave it the orientation it was. So now we're ready to put the new KSpeed cool intake panel right here. From the orientation of that cover, the panel goes this way. So now I'm going to need 2 hands, but I'm going to hold this plastic piece up and then use the other hand to kind of slide this in. And there you go. Okay. So now you can see we've got the cold air panel in place there. It is partially covered by the plastic here, but hopefully it'll still allow some good air to get in there. All right, now we just got to bolt everything back together, get all these shrouds and panels back in place, and we'll be good to go.